well packaged. It's got a nice amount of foam in there. Protect everything on the travels. I already can see that it's got a Meanwhile driver, which is amazing. It's got nice connectors, waterproof wire connectors. That's awesome. Let's get this bad boy out. Mars Hydro. And the bottom has protection in it as well. Turn this thing over. Wow. That is pretty. Pretty sexy. It's got the reds. It looks like it might have some UV. And it's got all these chips. These Samsung chips. Oh. Look at how beautiful that is. Nice and long. Perfect for a 2x4 tent. Like, that's gorgeous. Look how small and sleek it is. Like, for a 2x4 tent, that's great. And then 2 of these in a 4x4? That'd be beautiful. Look at that. I bet this thing puts out some light. Take a look at the heat sink. Very nice heat sink there. Yeah, that's nice. Doesn't look like there's any fans. It's all passive cooled, just like Quantum boards. And this is nice because it has other light spectrums as well. It's not just white light, but it's mostly white light, but it's not just white light. So there's that. Let's see what else we got in here. We got some paperwork. You get your warranty card. Some stuff about it here. 3-year warranty, 7-day return policy. 230 watts. Very efficient. The most efficient chips you can get. It says all the specs in here about it. It's the Mars Hydro SP series, the SP 250. It says the spectrums of light. Spectrums. It does have UV as well, and deep red. And infrared and white. That's amazing. That's awesome. There's 684 little LEDs on it. Here's the PAR readings. That's amazing. We got some light hangers, I'm pretty sure. Yep, got some light hangers here. Alright, let's get this bad boy plugged in. As you can see, it's pretty bright. And you can see the beautiful, you can look at the UVs, you got the deep reds in there, and it's got all the different spectrums of light, of white, so it's a total, it's a veg and flower board. There, wow, that's great. It's upside down, but you get the picture. And I'll get this bad boy hung up in my tent and everything and show you how it looks there. I just wanted to do a nice unboxing video for everybody on here. Check it out. It's the Mars Hydro SP 250 series. And that's just a different light underneath it. Actually, one that I'm getting rid of. But this thing is super bright, guys. Like, I can't even look directly near it. It's very, very bright.